our problem is, let me show you. This is a question. Draw a isometric view of a given orthographic projection of the project. I mean object. Okay. So this is our front view, and this is our top view. So if you observe the question in the front view, this is your front view. Whatever the shape is there, we have to draw it. This all the values in the front view. So what is the value of this one? 150. See, as this we have projected downwards, the question it will be 150. So I will take L enter. Now let me take REC enter. Okay, from the starting unit center, limit center I have given already. So after that Z enter, A enter, next REC enter, and 0 comma 0 enter, and 594 comma 420. Okay, this is my work area. No, something wrong. Control REC enter, 0 comma 0 594 comma 420. Right, this is your work area. Now the question is given as 150 mm. So L enter, I will take L enter. I will draw somewhere like this ortho mode on. Okay, now in the front view, this is your 150 mm. Okay, so I will take now in the ortho mode L enter. I will start somewhere here, and at the rate, what is the value? 150. 150 less than 30. Okay, now what is the width? See, width it is given as here 19 mm. So I will take 19 mm. And 19 after that I have to move. What is the center point? 150 means up to 75. Okay, I will join directly. After that I can trim off. Okay. What is the height? 19 mm. Okay, 19. Now from this point. Okay. Now again shift at the rate, and what is the value? 150. And what is the angle I have to give? Here 210. Okay, now I will join this one. This is your first side in the front view. Okay, this bottom, whatever the bottom is there, I have drawn, and from the midpoint I have to draw a circular shape as we have drawn in the previously for the cone. As a circle will come in the ellipse shape, and what are the diameter we have? The inner circle is 36 and outer one is 32 or 32. That means 64. So we have to take a rectangle box. I mean that square box 32 by 64 by 64. So from the midpoint I have to take, see, L enter. Now this is your midpoint. Okay, and what is the height? Height will be almost the center point is 37. 37. Okay, right. And 37 you can make the center point, and from that point also you can make a 64 by 64 box. So instead of that one I will make somewhere 64 by 64, and I will copy paste here. Right. So this is your 37 height. Let me keep this center point. Now let me take some other box. Okay, L enter, and here 64 by 64 at the rate, shift at the rate 64, angle 30. Okay, now straight 64, again shift at the rate 64, angle 210, and C enter. Okay, this is your circular section. Now I want to join the diagonal. L enter, and from this is your highest diagonal, and I have to leave that one, and from this point I will join opposite sides. Escape, spacebar, and from this midpoint. Okay, spacebar, and from this diagonal I will join this one, and from L enter I will join this one, midpoint. Okay, now C enter. From here to here I have to take a circle. Okay, TR double enter. Okay, next again C enter. From this point I have to move up to here. TR double enter. Okay, now again C enter. Okay. Now I will move this one, M enter. I will select this one, M enter, and with this base point, whatever the midpoint is there. See, for this midpoint, for this line, I will take
or remove yourself, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, ఎవరో remove చేస్తారు, sir.
Okay, okay, I have changed now. Right. Okay. Now with this base point, where is the midpoint? This is my midpoint. Now I will move here. Okay. Is it clear now up to here? 12:43. Mute yourself. Right. Okay. Yeah, this is your front view which I have shown you. See, whatever the front view we have taken, this is your front view, and we don't require this bottom one. Okay, so I will trim off that one also. Okay, so remaining all lines which I don't need, I will trim off. If you want to trim off, you can trim off like that. This line I don't need. Okay, after that we can do, and at this center also you will get another circle part. See, this is your circle part which is dia 36. That dia 36 means we have to take a rectangle box of 36 by 36. Okay, and after that from this width it is 90 mm. See, this is your 90 mm. So I will draw here 90 mm. Now I'll enter from this point at the rate 90, and what is the angle? 150. Right. Okay, and height 19 mm. Okay, now from this point I will join here. Okay, now again L enter from this point, again at the rate, shift at the rate 150. This length is your 150 mm. That's why I will take 150 mm. Angle 30. Okay, now I can join directly here. This is your base. Okay, this is the base of your whole diagram. Okay, and from here at this midpoint, you can observe here in this midpoint the whole length is 90, and at the midpoint you will have R11. Yeah, R11 or maybe R11 only, R11 or 21, 45. Okay, at the midpoint we are having a gap of R11. Okay, and what is the distance from here? Almost 36 means 52. See, from this midpoint it is having 52 mm. Okay, you can make a box over here. Yes, who's that? Now I will copy the whole object, as this is a circular section from here to here. See, in the top view, if you observe from here, this is the starting point, and for the end point also the cone shape is same. I mean this half semicircle shape. So I will copy this one for the end part also. I will say copy. Okay, and CO enter, and with the base point here I will copy somewhere here this midpoint. Yeah, Okay, and from this endpoint, L enter, I will join. This is your height, and I will join up to here. Okay. Okay, instead of that one, I will trim off all the lines which I don't need. The construction process is like that. Now here, the fillet, it is given as the radius is 4, R4. That means we have to make a fillet. Already we have discussed about that one. Enter, I think isometric. Okay. Fillet dental, select the object. Okay. And select the second object. It will give radius, I think. Like that. So select object, first object. Just taking or enter. So, yes. Okay. Yeah, this is your fillet. And first of all, we have selected, say Control Z, FILLET fillet. Enter. Now it will ask select the first object. I'll select the line. Okay, and next I have to take R, enter, radius. What is the radius? We have to give 4. As in the diagram, it is given as 4 radius here. So I will give 4 radius. 4, enter. Now select the second object. I will select this one. Okay, right. That is your fillet. And here also similar process. Fillet, enter. FILLET fillet. Select the first object. I will select this one and R, enter. Here also same. R, enter. Okay, radius 4, enter. Select the object. Okay, this is your front view. Okay. L, enter. Due to some matter, it might not. Okay. Yes, and in the middle also you will get a another circle. Again, L, enter. From this corner point, I will join up to here, so that your base is completed like that. Okay. And after completing all the diagram according to the dimension, you can get the dimension like this. See, the front view has taken in this manner in the left side, so the diagram will appear like this. In this diagram, we have taken at the right side the front view. Okay, the solution will be like this. Right, just practice it.